how much do I earn monthly being self-employed, working mostly from home, online, and also the challenge associated with being self-employed. That's what I'm going to share in today's video. So earlier I used to think how and why only some are able to generate revenue online, not me. So the idea is to share what I have learned so far and show you that just by providing value, being consistent, and being kind to people will get you incidental result. If I have been able to do this, you surely can do it. It's no rocket science. So I had a decent 9 to 5 job. Being project manager and being with a company meant that you have some great benefit, and in terms of expense also, we don't have much expense. House is the only big ticket item. We are able to manage our expenses well within our means. Our in fact requirements are not much. There is one thing for sure in Canada and world over now, is that even if you have a job, there is no guarantee that you will have that in future. It can just go like this. So this unpredictability and anxiety was something, was pushing me to think, what should I do? And I had read somewhere, maybe it was Einstein or some business book, where it was said that if you could find the problem, you will find the solution. So the real problem was that I am not young anymore, and as a family, we have a long way to go. To secure family, just being dependent on one job is not the solution, long term at least, which was keeping me bothered. I went to the drawing board, basically a Google sheet where I just put down everything possible I think I can do, and here YouTube was a clear winner, which required almost no investment. And I knew that if I'm consistent, I'm able to provide value, then the revenue would automatically start coming in, if not today, tomorrow. And it is going to be asymmetrical, which I'll talk about as we go with the video. And it's not just the AdSense revenue, there are more to it. So let me sit down and go one by one. AdSense revenue, I am part of YouTube partner program. If you don't know what that is, once you meet certain requirement, when I joined YouTube partner program, the requirement was 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hour. It keeps changing, so you can always check that. Once you meet that eligibility requirement and you go through evaluation with YouTube, you are monetized, your videos are monetized, and advertisers are able to place ad on your videos. When you watch the video, you would see advertisement in between. Whenever that gets played, the share of that revenue comes to me as part of the YouTube partner program. I can go in much detail, and I don't want to waste your time. I had shared one particular channel. I have multiple channels where just one video had given me significant revenue, and making consistent video like this, it's not possible. This particular channel is evergreen, so you keep coming to watch the videos because I solve a particular problem and you find in detail in my videos. So thanks to you all for coming and watching my videos. I get part of revenue from that. In my case, about for 1000 views, which is called RPM, I get $10. And as on today, I get consistently about 100k views a month. So $1000 is assured as monthly revenue. Now, whether I'm telling you the fact or not, you can check from these two websites, Viewstat and Social Blade. These website, once you go and enter the channel detail, it'll show you how many views are coming, and they have this range, what you see. Now in my case, I am on higher side of this range. There are a lot of things which cannot be known by these websites, and things like super thanks, then the exact RPM on the video, those details are again estimate what they do. So I can assure you that I have a consistent recurring revenue from the AdSense.
These many of you have not been subscribing to my channel, and most of you are coming back to watch other videos. So my request is kindly subscribe to the channel. This helps the channel, and I promise to keep taking feedback from you just like this and bring content which is relevant to you.
Once you start with YouTube, there are multiple revenue stream. Membership is another one. I don't have any membership because I don't make any exclusive videos, and my videos are free to consume. When I will have something exclusive, in that case, once I make the membership available, any person who joins as a member, there would be again recurring revenue. As on date, I don't have, and my videos don't require any exclusivity. As I'm making the video, so far there is no exclusivity which is required. Then there is shopping. I don't have with YouTube. I do have with other platform, which I'll talk in some time. Then recently YouTube also invited me for player for education. So my content, YouTube feels that is good for education purpose, and any organization who uses my content on their website, they would directly pay to me. It's just started, so once I have consistent revenue source, I will be able to share what that is. For now, consider this also as zero. Coming to affiliate commission, here I have to talk not just about YouTube but also Amazon. I'm part of Amazon influencer program and also associate program. So other than that, I'm with Filmora and Well Simple app. So there are multiple programs where I'm associated with, and when I make a video, for example, when I buy any product and I find that useful, I make videos and share that with you. You find that useful, and you go to the description and click on the link. You don't pay anything extra, by the way, because it is going through my referral. Part of the commission comes to me, and you don't pay anything extra. For example, Well Simple, when you click the link and you go and open an account with Well Simple, just by depositing $1, you get $25 and I get $25. So it's a symbiotic relationship which makes it interesting for the individuals to go and click. Filmora, again, it's easy to use, and I've been with Filmora for many years. I find it quite intuitive and easy to use as a content creator. So I share Filmora videos with you, and when someone clicks on the video and goes and does a purchase, again a small commission comes to me. So I can go in detail. In case you want to check what all programs I am associated with, I'll share the link, and here you are the bridge between the user and the product. When you solve a problem, you get rewarded. That's how the affiliate commission work. So basically here you bring in traffic, and traffic buys something, you get rewarded. Now sponsorship, again I'll talk about the sponsorship. In sponsorship, the sponsors pay you to do video, and that's why you see video sponsored written on the video whenever there is a sponsored video. Here the rates differ depending on the engagement what you're going to have, the contract what you're going to have with the sponsors. I am very careful in choosing what sponsors to go with, but for you to get an idea of how much sponsors pay, let me take you to TikTok, where it is quite transparent.
In Canada, you would see a lot of content creator posting and promoting Carrot app, which is a Canadian local community marketplace. So here the creator would get paid. You can see here, this is on the TikTok marketplace. They go and apply, and they get the pool of money for them to promote the app and then get paid. So similarly, the other program, you can see how the payout is, and these are easy money when you make 20 to 30 seconds of video and promote that app or product.
Everything I shared with you so far, you can see it requires effort, constant effort, and engaging with your viewers, giving them value. Only then these things work. It's not like you just randomly push things and you will start getting money. It does not work that way. Now you know some of the revenue source what I have just from YouTube. You see how it gets channeled into multiple streams. Now there are many other things which I don't want to bore you with. With just these revenue stream, you can make an assumption of what I would be getting in terms of monthly revenue. Just with one program, I am sharing this 3 months commission. You can see you can consistently earn
every month.
if someone says that you can automate and generate passive income, it does not work that way. It's a constant effort. You have to bring value, you have to bring something where you're solving people's problem, and that has what made the revenue generation possible in my case. Now, as a self employed, there are some pluses. I'm able to manage my time, I'm able to take my daughter to her school, get her to play, and I can accommodate time around her time and space. At the same time, the struggle is that I have to grind, I have to work late night, I have to do everything on my own. I am the editor, I am the planner, I am the script writer, I am the one who is recording, so there's only one hand to do this, and that is quite challenging, which not many understand. Also, when you are in digital space, you need to make a constant effort to go out and network, otherwise you are all alone, and that's what keeps me motivated. When I go out, people interact, give feedback, that becomes valuable part of my content journey. The videos what you make, the blogs you write, the website what you have is there forever. You don't have to be in front of your audience every time, but your videos, as long as they are relevant, they are bringing and solving people's problem, you will keep rewarded. That is for sure. Being a content creator, you get invited to launch parties, special occasion, so that is again a plus side. Then in terms of expense, your time and effort is a big factor. There are softwares you use to make videos. Again, the list is endless, but there are expenses which are associated creating content. How you can do it? So I can share how I did it. When I started, I had 4 to 5 different plans, and I was not sure which one is going to work. So I created a different channel and started posting content, some with face, some faceless, and then once feedback started coming in, I knew where I need to focus. So this is one way you could start. Also, I did an exercise where I, on a piece of paper, just imagined helping one individual every day and getting $1 and recurring money over 5 years. So when I did that calculation, I knew that if I'm consistent and the effort would pay it by itself. That has been true in my case. The big problem with many are they procrastinate, they have great plan, but they just don't execute. In my case, I have executed, that has worked in my favor. Before ending the video, I just wanted to let you know that I'm able to do this because my wife, she still has a 9 to 5 job, and she said, you can focus on what you want to do. And that's why I have been able to come this far. So, a big thanks to her. And also, viewers like you who come and watch my videos keep inspiring me, giving me direct feedback, and that has really helped me to be on this journey. So, a big thank you to all of you.